In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename files in Google Drive. First, open your web browser and head to the Google homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you see the files you expect. In the top right corner of the page, look for the small grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. Click that to open the panel of Google services. From this menu, select Drive to go straight into your Google Drive. Once you're in Drive, you'll land in My Drive, where your folders and files are listed. Take a moment to locate the file you want to rename. If you have a lot of items, the search bar at the top can help you find it quickly by typing part of the current name. When you see the right file, hover your mouse over it to reveal more options. On the right side of that files row, click the three vertical dots, labeled More Actions. This opens a menu with several options for managing the file. Choose Rename from this list. A small dialog box will appear with the current file name highlighted and ready to edit. Now type the new name exactly as you want it. If you only need to adjust part of the name, place your cursor where needed and make your edits. It's a good practice to use clear, descriptive names so the file is easy to find later. Adding dates, versions, or brief descriptors can be helpful. If the file is an uploaded document, like a PDF or image, you'll see a file extension at the end. Renaming the file won't change its type, but avoid deleting the extension if you want to keep it visible. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides typically don't show an extension here, which is normal. Keep in mind that certain special characters are best avoided, especially if you also use Drive for Desktop to sync files to your computer. Using simple letters, numbers, spaces, dashes, and underscores tends to work well across devices. When you're happy with the new name, click OK to save the change. You'll see the updated name immediately in your drive. The rename action updates everywhere your drive is accessible, including shared folders and other devices signed into the same account. If the file is shared, the link remains valid. Only the displayed name changes. And if you change your mind right away, you can use undo to revert the rename. That's it, quick and reliable. Renaming keeps your drive tidy and makes collaboration smoother. Thanks for watching, and feel free to pause and repeat any part as you try it yourself.